Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing a pocket letter process video with you guys. I will be using some of the Echo Park Paper Company A Perfect Christmas collection that I have left over from last year. This is all of the paper I have left from that collection. I did overbuy on stickers though, so I still have plenty of stickers left, as well as some chipboard things and some die cuts. But for this pocket letter, I wanted to focus on using up some of my scrap pieces of paper. So I cut down for my scraps a bunch of the pocket cards, because my scrap bin is getting a little full and I need to use up some of it. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in and we'll get started on creating this pocket letter. So I figured we could start down here at the bottom. So I have this card, as you can see, and then this really shiny doily that I got in some Happy Mail from my friend Serena. So I want to use that. So I've just cut it in half and I'll use both halves on this pocket letter. And this is something I like to do sometimes. It kind of helps me use up some of my doilies, but it also adds some fun shine and a little bit of different background texture to my cards. So that is what that looks like so far. And I did pull a few washies. So I have this red glitter one, this gold stripe, and then these peppermints. I thought they would go really nicely as well. I'm just gonna use a little bit of washi tape because I love me some washi tape. I love to layer it and create pretty effects with it. So I'm going to trim down this red one so it's a little bit thinner one, because I feel like it's pretty thick. It's kind of wide. And then I can get a little bit more use out of it if I can stretch it a bit by cutting it a little bit thinner. Something kind of like that. And then I have this die cut. It says December, so I thought that would be cute layered on there with this chipboard sticker that's from the collection as well. I'm kind of figure out where I want this to go. Figure something like that. Layer that on there. Might be able to scooch it over just a little bit. Something like that. Then I was thinking of just using some of these red jemmies throughout my project. Just kind of help tie everything together. It'll also help me use up some of them, which would be nice. So I've got those. The next card I want to work on is this one where I want to include some tags for my stash. So actually I will need a piece of scrap paper. So I think I will use a piece of this branding strip. All the paper comes on the 6x6 paper pad, so I just saved one of those. So I think I will use this kind of as a little strip to hold these in here. I think that'll be kind of cute. And I will be using my Tim Holtz tiny attacher to hold this in place. And these can just kind of slide in here like so. A little bit of sparkly washi on there, and then maybe a little sticker or something. So I've got these from Paper House Production. So I was thinking maybe I could use a small one, like maybe this A Merry Little Christmas. I think that'd be really cute. It's thin enough to fit on there, like so. So we've got that one there. Actually, maybe we can add some jemmies on this one too. Again, just to kind of tie all the pockets together. So we've got that one. And then for the third card on the bottom, I have this piece of paper, and I wanted to use up these. This little jar is really cute, and then I love this little ornament. I think the red and white goes really nice together. So how am I gonna do that? Not quite sure. I was thinking of maybe using these planner stickers. So I think maybe this big one here. It's kind of the peppermint stripe look to it, and then I can cut into it and make a little flag, and I think that would be really fun, and it'll make it more of like a shape instead of just a big boxy square. Layer that on there like that, and the peppermints can go on there, and ground them with a little bit of red glitter washi tape. These chipboard stickers, since they're kind of old, don't really want to stick all that great. So just back that up with a little bit of Tombow adhesive, and then I'll do the same thing up here. Maybe I can do some red up here too. Something like that. It's pretty cute. There we go. So that is that card. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and slide these in. That will look like that. super cute so far. So let's go ahead and work on the middle row. And I really don't want to forget that I have these, so I'm going to, I don't know where I'm going to put them. This thing is huge, so I don't know. Oh gosh. So for the second row, I wanted to use these elements. So these are all from my stash. I believe I got this in some Happy Mail. These are from various collections. So yeah, so let's see what we can do here. So I was kind of wanting this right in there. So I might use my stapler again, just kind of tie in the staple elements that I used earlier, and then this can come out really easily. I did want to put the 'Tis the Season on here. I think that'd be really fun. Look kind of like that. And then I love this little, like, what is this, pine cone mistletoe-y thing? I think it's adorable. I'm not sure. Let's see, you can take the string off, maybe poke a hole. So I'm gonna punch a hole in this little die cut, like so. And I think that looks really cute. I like the movement of that, and if my pen pal wants to reuse this little pine cone thing as a tag or something separately, they definitely can. All right, so we've got this one. Let's do some little jummies. Like that. The next one I have this card. And I have something in mind for this one, so I'm just going to put a little bit of washi tape here at the bottom. And again, I will do the same thing with this red, make it a little bit thinner. That down right there, and then I'm gonna set this one aside for just a minute. And then for this card, I wanted to use these trees because I think that'd be kind of nice. They're both from my stash. That one kind of like that, and then I wanted to do, I think, some washi tape on here as well. Just like that. And I was thinking the tree, this other tree would be cute on there. Like so, and then I love this Oh What Fun. I wanted this maybe right there. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. That way the top of it falls between the top of this tree and this tree, so it's more like a little triangle shape. This is what we've got so far. I was thinking maybe a little bit of red would be cute too. Just right down there at the bottom, and then some jimmies. I wanted to see if maybe I could put some of these on here as well. Like maybe this little snowflake guy would be really cute. See, there's a red one, there's a little green one. Let's do the green one. Right there. All right, I think that's pretty cute as it is. So let's go ahead and pop these guys into their pockets. Something like that. Super adorbs. And then on the outside of this one, I really wanted to do this giant Santa. I think that would be a lot of fun. And then he can be kind of right in there. Fits really nicely, and then I can add some jummies kind of behind him. There we go. Super cute. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and work on these pockets up here. So for these, I have this sticker, this little tag, the rest of this doily situation. So let's go ahead and put this on. Thought this little clip looking thing was really cute, so I wanted to put that on this tag. Okay, so that will go kind of like that, and then maybe some washi tape at the bottom, maybe a little bit up here at the top too for fun. See, that'd be pretty cute. Okay. Alright, so there's that one, like so. For this card, I wanted to keep things just really simple. I was thinking of using the other half of this branding strip thing. I wanted to layer on some of this washi tape to make kind of like a belly band. Be kind of like that. Super pretty, very sparkly. And I will use some of the Tombow Extreme adhesive to glue on this pattern paper. because it works really well on glittery paper and washi tape. And then this will go on here, and I think that'll be really pretty. It looks almost kind of like a present. Really simple. And put some little jimmies on here. Maybe one of these little tiny little ones. So cute. So that is that card. And then for the final card, I actually kind of, I don't know, this paper wasn't quite long enough so you can see a little bit of the branding right here. I think I'm just gonna cover that up with some washi tape and it'll be okay. Just do something like that. And I believe this was like the last piece of this red scrap, so I just wanted to make sure that I used it. So let's see, so I wanted to use this little postcard thing because I think it's really cute. You can do like naughty or nice. It's like a lot of red though, so maybe I can find something else to use instead of that. Maybe one of these. I think this joy would be really pretty. Maybe over this mistletoe-y stuff. That's adorable. And then maybe we could put this little postcard thing. Like so. And then some jimmies on there. And then that is that card. So let's go ahead and put all these in their pockets. That looks like that. And then of course I need to put something over here. So I think I'm gonna use this peppermint stripe sticker on the front. Like so. And then on the back I'll just do maybe some of this thin peppermint stripe washi tape. And this is the finished pocket letter. I think it turned out really cute. I'm really glad that I was able to use up some scrap papers and some kind of random bits of stickers and things. But I really love how festive it is, and I hope that the recipient really enjoys it. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you give a festive pocket letter a try. Let me know down below in the comments which pocket is your favorite. I think my favorite might be either the Santa one because it's just really simple and I love this sticker, or maybe this one up here. But let me know down below which ones you guys like the best. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!